really mistreat him. Let's rock the king and men over beating him. JG is the